guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be unboxing a Cinnamoroll blind bag. So a few days ago, my mother gave me some A4 sheets, and so I made a blind bag with that, and I want to unbox it in front of you guys so you can see which items I stuffed in it, and I want to show it to you guys. So are you ready? But wait. I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and in those 3 seconds you have to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, all in 3 seconds. Will you be able to do it? Okay. 3, 2, 1, and time's out. Well, let's start unboxing our blind bag now. So here is the Cinnamoroll blind bag, and so there are 4 options: common, epic, rare, and legendary. So we have orange for common, yellow for epic, purple for rare, and blue for legendary. So let's open the blind bag and see. So first of all, we get common. Now let's see what's in common. Ooh, we have 2 friendship bags in common. Let's wear them. Ooh, this. Oh, they're blue and white, the color. Okay, common is done. Now let's see what's in epic. Ooh, epic. Let's see what's inside this. Ooh, it's a Cinnamoroll card. So here's the Cinnamoroll drawing, and there's some, a straight line, and here's Cinnamoroll. I love it. I'm gonna keep it here. Now I'm ready to see what's in rare, basically. Let's see what's in this. Oh, it's not opening. What's this? Oh, it's a folded paper sheet. Ah, it's a shape of Cinnamoroll. So I have outlined it in blue color, and here's Cinnamoroll written in purple. And I love the hearts that I made here, orange heart and then green, and the yellow heart. Now I'm really ready to see what's in legendary. Yikes, I'm so happy what's moving in there. I'm gonna take it out. It's not coming out. Ooh, these are the finger puppets. Like when you go for a photo shoot, and if you love Cinnamoroll, you can just put this on your fingers and take a photo. And this too, like this. I really love this blind bag. It was so fun. I have nothing else. So I really loved everything. I love the friendship bands and these finger puppets, these see-through shapes, and this card. I love it. Well, I hope you liked this video. See you again. Bye.